Stop dreaming, start building. This 200 square meter empty yard is a gold mine. Note, this isn't a visualization of my real engineering project. I've calculated every expense from excavation to filtration to show you what's possible. Today, I'll prove you can build a solid 4 times 4 meter private pool for just $5,000. Let's break down the budget. Step 1, the 1.5 meter deep pit. Renting a mini excavator costs $600 for a 48-hour shift. To save 40% on the budget, I used double reinforced cinder blocks. Instead of a monolithic pour, I applied 3 layers of elastic liquid membrane for 100% waterproofing. Total cost for the structure, including rebar and gravel base, only $1,500. For crystal clear water, I sourced a 10-inch refurbished sand filter for 400, capable of 3,000 gallons per hour. The interior is finished with a 60mm heavy-duty UV-resistant PVC liner, much faster to install than tiles. I finished the look with a 15 square meter pressure-treated pine deck for $1,000, creating a premium resort vibe on a DIY budget. Here it is, a fully functional $5,000 oasis. Smart engineering beats a big budget every single time. It took only 3 days to complete, but what if you want a Hollywood-style masterpiece with a vanishing edge? Next, I'm building a $50,000 luxury version with smart heating and glass walls. You won't believe the contrast. Subscribe to Forest Builds for the ultimate upgrade. Forget everything I said about saving money. Now, we're entering the world of absolute luxury. This is how you turn a backyard into a 5-star resort. I've engineered a $50,000 masterpiece where every dollar is visible. Let's see what real premium looks like.
First, the foundation. We built a solid 6 by 4 meter monolithic reinforced concrete structure. No more budget liners. Here, we've used high-end Italian porcelain tiles. They don't just look incredible, they provide a seamless, silk-like finish under the water. This premium masonry and tiling alone cost us $15,000. The brain of this pool is an industrial-grade heating system and a smart saltwater chlorinator controlled from your phone. But the real showstopper? This architectural canopy with integrated LED lighting and premium ergonomic lounges. It's designed for 365 days of comfort, regardless of the weather. This isn't just a place to swim, it's an architectural statement of success. From 5K to 50K, which one would you choose for your home? Subscribe to Forest Builds for the ultimate construction upgrades.